friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to make my own ephemera and stationery items, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so here I have a bunch of items I kind of want to use today, and as you can see, I also have a bunch of other paper that I pulled out of my paper box all around me so that I have plenty of things I can use. But a few of the things that I have for today are some ink pads. I recently got this one in brown because I wanted a brown one to kind of give me that vintage vibe, and then I just have this black one that I already had on hand. I recently just got this really big stamp from Hobby Lobby, and I think it was around $12, but I got it for like 50% off, so it was only about like $6, so that was a great deal, and I can't wait to use this and incorporate it into some fun ephemera pieces. I also have these word stickers, double-sided tape, some glue, my tweezers, and then I have these fun bird stamps I got at the Dollar Tree, as well as these brown craft paper stickers that I thought I might be able to use. And of course, I'll be using my scissors. I'm going to start off with this piece of paper here, which is just a normal piece of printer paper that I tea-dyed a while ago. I'm just going to start off by putting some of this vintage photo distress ink onto my ink pad. Okay, so I'm just going to dab this onto my stamp. And then I'm just going to kind of stamp it all around just to add some texture to this paper. Now that I have some brown lettering on there, just some fun background, I'm going to take some of this black stamping ink and some of my bird stamps and kind of just play around with it. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to do this bird. So there we have our first little piece, and I think it's cute. I think it's a good start. I definitely think I could, use some more practice, but yeah, let's keep on going. Okay, there we go. I really like how this one turned out. I think it is super cute, and I definitely want to make more like this. Okay, these are coming out so good. I'm really liking them. I cannot wait to scrapbook with these. Here we have all of the pieces I made today. I really like how it turned out. I would love to make more pieces like this in the future. Let me know if you guys enjoy videos like this or if you would prefer to see just normal scrapbook with me videos. But I had a lot of fun making these, and I hope I inspired you to do the same or get creative. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Join our fun artsy community. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.